What's up guys, and welcome to the 18th tutorial of programming in Java using Eclipse. And in this tutorial it's all about the if-else-if statement. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, the first thing I do is go to the src package, right click this, go to new, and then make a class and call this class test. And then we can tick this off and we can also press finish. And now we can remove all this garbage and type in int x equals 30, close that off, and now type if x equals 10. We can put in some curly braces and now write system out print and within this we can say value of x equals 10. So and then after this we can go to here and now type else if, and we can say x equals 20, and then we can put curly braces and now copy all of this line and paste it here and change the value of x equals to 20. And now we can repeat this for however long we want, but we can now we can also say else if. So copy all of this and paste it here and change this to 30 and also change this to 30. We can remove this for the time being or put it back in, yeah, that should be 30, not 300. And then the last one we can say, so else, copy all of this, paste it there, and write error, because if you don't type in 10, 20 or 30 you'll get an error. Okay, so we can save this and we can execute this and see what we actually get. So we have a program that makes x equal to 30, and if x is equal to 10 it says value of x is 10. If x is equal to 20, value of x is 20. If x is equal to 30, value of x is equal to 30. If x is something else, it'll say it's an error. Okay, so we can run and execute this and see what we get. Value of x is 30. If I change this to 10, it should print out value of x is 10. And if I change this to, say, 70, it'll print out error. Alright, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.